Hi everyone. Are you preparing for NEET seriously? If the answer is yes, obviously this question comes to your mind. How to reduce negative marking in bio? I will take an example. Imagine a student has attempted 85 questions out of 90 questions in bio. 85 into 4. 340. Can a student score 340? Practically that is not possible. The student will make one or the other mistake. Well, this student has done 20 wrongly. It means 65 answers are correct. 65 into 4 minus 20. This is most common situation in bio. The student has scored only 240 out of 360. Now the parents may say, you should have answered only those 65 questions. Why did you touch those 20 questions? Well, in the examination, the student was confident about those 20 questions also. After the exam, the student has realized the mistake. This is one of the common issues in bio. Therefore, how to reduce this type of mistakes in bio? We need practice for questions which are based on the statements. Let me take one sample question. Which one of the following statements is correct? They may ask correct statement or incorrect statement. Correct with reference to something, with reference to conidia. Where did you study this conidia? It comes in biological classification. It comes in first lesson of second year syllabus also. They are asexual spores produced by fungi. Just by keeping that definition, you cannot conclude the answer. Because I have not used the word asexual in the question or the options. Therefore, let's go through these options. They are microscopic and motile structures. There are two things here. One thing is size, second thing is motility. They are not macroscopic, they are microscopic. You are confident. Are they motile or non-motile? Zoospores are motile, conidia are non-motile. Except some primitive fungi, generally fungi do not have any flagellated stage in the life cycle. That confidence is required. This is not correct. Conidiophores undergo meiosis to produce conidia. There are two things in this option. Which structure will produce conidia? Conidiophores will give rise to conidia. That is okay. Do they undergo meiosis or mitosis? You should not be confused with that point. Meiosis does happen in sexual phase because that is responsible for variation. We are talking about asexual spores in fungi. That is definitely mitosis, not meiosis. Look at the third option. They are formed exogenously by agaricus. Once again, you have to look at two parameters here. Exogenous or endogenous? Ascospores are formed inside the ascus. They are endogenously formed. Conidia are exogenous spores. That is okay. But is it agaricus? Agaricus, that thinking is required. Agaricus belongs to basidiomycetes. Basidiomycetes generally do not have conidia. They undergo fragmentation, etc. Conidia are very prominent in ascomycetes. Let us eliminate this option. Is it fourth one? Haploid spores that germinate into mycelium. They are not diploid spores. They are haploid spores. Which is the diploid stage in the life cycle of fungi? After plasmogamy, karyogamy, right? In sexual phase. The diploid zygote undergoes meiosis. Well, that is the only one diploid stage. The haploid hypha originate from haploid spores. It means haploid spores germinate into mycelium. This is correct. Look at this sample question carefully. What I have done here. First thing is this. Reading question properly. I have read once, I have read twice. I am able to register these two terms in the mind. Yes, I have to look at the correct statement. I have to look at conidia. That is proper. What I have done after that? Connect this to the topics. Okay, I have studied this in biological classification. Ascomycetes produce conidia. The diagram appears in first lesson of second year syllabus. Penicillium gives rise to conidia. Oh, that is asexual reproduction. Thirdly, elimination. You have noticed. I have taken sufficient time to eliminate this. And then, in case of any confusion, I may not conclude here. I can go to next question, and after some time I will come back to this. But in any case, this exercise should not consume time. Quickness is more important. You are trying to think of ascomycetes, basidiomycetes, penicillium, asexual, sexual, mitosis, meiosis. That has to be done within few seconds. Quickness is more important in this process. Therefore, we will take this type of sample questions in the next video. Thank you.